elf? Yeah. Where's the Santa? Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, Santa. What was that?
Bath.
Yeah, he's in the bath, isn't he? Where's the snowman? Is there a snowman on this page? I think maybe it's somewhere over here. There he is. Good. And what about Mrs. Claus? Santa's wife. Yeah, she's the brains behind the operation.
Yeah.
Yeah. She gets it all done, doesn't she? Wait, what's under the bed? Do you see anything under the bed? Slippers, right? You want to look at them? No. Little reindeer slippers? You're not going to look at them? Yeah, the reindeer. Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen. Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. No Rudolph, though. There's no Rudolph on this page. Turn the page. Whoa. Where's Santa Claus?
Wow.
What does Santa say? It's a mouse! Eek! Eek! It's a mouse! Milk, just like Annika's milk.